Namaste. I am Dr. Anchit from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we are going to continue our lectures and today we are going to learn about muscle strains. It is a topic that you must have come across before. What are muscle strains? A muscle strain or a pulled muscle occurs when your muscle is overstretched or torn. This usually occurs as a result of fatigue, overuse, or improper use of muscle. Strains can happen in any muscle, but they are most commonly in your lower back, neck, shoulder, and hamstring, which is the muscle behind your thigh. These strains can cause pain and may limit movement within the affected muscle group. Mild to moderate strains can be successfully treated at home with ice, heat, and anti inflammatory medication. Severe strains or tears may require a medical treatment or may even go up to surgical intervention. Symptoms of muscle strain. You'll usually feel a muscle strain as it occurs. That is, acute symptoms will be present. They may be sudden onset of pain, soreness, limited range of motion, bruising or discoloration, swelling, a knotted up feeling, that is, a tied up feeling. Another word can be used as spasm, stiffness and weakness. A mild strain, a torn muscle, may feel slightly stiff but still flexible enough for use. A severe muscle strain is when muscle is severely torn. This results in pain and very limited movements. The symptoms of mild to moderate muscle strains usually go away within few weeks. More severe strains may take months to heal. What are the causes of muscle strain? An acute muscle strain is when your muscle tears suddenly and unexpectedly. Such tears can occur either from injuries or trauma. This can be due to not warming up properly before any physical activity, poor flexibility, poor conditioning, poor hydration, and overexertion and fatigue. There is a misconception that only rigorous exercise and workouts of high intensity causes muscle strain. According to John Hopkins Medicine, muscle strain can even occur from walking. An acute strain can happen when you slip or lose your footing, jump, run, throw something, lift something heavy, lift something while you are in an awkward position. Acute muscle strains are also common in cold weather. This is because muscles are stiff in lower temperatures. It's important to take extra time to warm up in these conditions to prevent strain. Chronic muscle strains are a result of repetitive movement. This can be due to sports like rowing, tennis, golf, or baseball. Holding your back or neck in an awkward position for long periods of time, such as when you work at your desk, or poor posture. Now, what can be the first aid for muscle strain? The first is to rest, apply ice, compression, elevation, use of over the counter anti inflammatory medication. After 3 to 4 days, apply heat to the muscle several times a day. This will help to bring the blood circulation to the area of healing. Don't rest your muscle for too long. This can cause the stiffness and weakness. Begin light stretching as soon as possible. Slowly increase your level of activity. Make sure to stretch and warm up before exercising. Make an effort to stay in shape. How to prevent muscle strains? Try not to sit in one position for too long. Maintain good posture while standing and sitting. Lift objects carefully, that is, keep your back straight, bend your knees, and always lift with your legs. Hold the weight close to your body, don't lift and twist at the same time. Take precautions to prevent falls. Lose weight if you're overweight and wear shoes that fit properly. Regular exercise may also help to make your muscles strong and flexible. This was a session on muscle strain. I guess it is clear. In case of any doubt, do let me know through your comment in the YouTube section. Thank you so much.